abs workout. Let's do this. Come to your hands and knees. Feel the four corners of your hands on the mat. Inhale, catch breath. Exhale, straight back. Few times onto this flow. Keep breathing. Yes. Bring the right foot to the back of the mat, tuck the toes under and pulsate. Stretching those muscles on the back of your leg. Hold. Inhale, bring that leg towards the ceiling. Engage the belly button towards the spine and flex the right knee. Pulsate, sole of the foot towards the sky. Keep the neck long, look forward. Midline hold. Lift the left arm from the ground. Stretch the leg and hands in the opposite direction. Inhale, elbow and knee towards the belly button. Exhale, extend. Few times here on your own breathing. Keep going. One more deep inhale and hold. And release. Opposite side. Left foot to the end of the mat. Pulsate. Hold. Lift the left foot towards the ceiling. Flex that knee and pulsate towards the sky. Keep bringing your attention to your navel. Keep pressing down towards the spine. Hold. Extend the leg. Lift your right arm towards the wall in front of you. Pull in both directions. Pressing the belly button towards the spine, bring elbow and knee towards the midline. And extend. Couple of times here on your own breath. One more time. This time hold. Keep pressing. And release. Rest your hips on top of your heels. Take a moment to follow your breath. Release any tension. Letting go. Come back to your hands and knees. Lift the right foot towards the ceiling. Take a deep inhale. Bring your left hand behind towards that foot. Make the energetic line to grab that foot. If you have the mobility, grab that foot and pull that foot towards the ceiling. Breathe. Keep pulling the shoulders away from the mat. Keep engaging the belly button. One more deep inhale and release. Rock your hips from side to side. Opposite side now. Left foot towards the end of the mat. Engage the belly button. Lift that leg, flex that knee. Sole of the feet pointing up. Bring the right hand towards that foot. You may want to stay here, keep bringing your intention, stretching towards that foot. Or grab that ankle, press your foot against that hand. Keep engaging the belly button. One more deep inhale and release. Rest on top of your heels. Feel the strength and vitality you are building on your core. Coming to your belly, let's work on some back bends. Listen to your body and modify the poses according to your body needs. Pressing your hips on the mat, lift the legs and feet. Bring them down. Lengthen the spine, lift the shoulders and the arms. Release. Rock your hips from side to side, getting ready to lift the full body. This pose is very strengthening for the back, making sure there is no pinching on your spine. Keep lengthening, and when you feel ready, release the pose. come back down into your belly. Breathe, rest on child's pose. The good news is ab work is done. Yes.